Welcome to this special segment of Hypno Wellness. In today's session, we'll explore a guided hypnosis script to support your journey in embracing early mornings and creating a transformative morning routine. So find a safe, comfortable position, not driving a car or operating heavy machinery. Close your eyes and let's begin. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension or stress from your body. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed and calm and at peace. Allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation. Imagine yourself standing in a beautiful open field. It's early morning, and the sky above is painted with hues of soft pink and golden orange as the sun begins to rise. You feel a gentle breeze against your skin, carrying with it a sense of freshness and renewal. As you look ahead, you notice a group of fluffy white clouds drifting across the sky. These clouds represent your journey towards embracing early mornings and creating a fulfilling morning routine. They hold the potential for growth, positive change, and self-discovery. With each breath, imagine yourself leaping onto one of these clouds, feeling its buoyancy carrying you upwards. As you float upon the cloud, allow yourself to feel a sense of lightness and freedom. You are no longer bound by the limitations or resistance. You are open and receptive to the transformative power of early mornings. As you continue to soar on the cloud, you notice a panoramic view unfolding beneath you. You see the world waking up, gradually coming to life. You witness the beauty of nature as the sun illuminates the landscape, casting gentle rays of light upon everything it touches. This moment of quiet observation allows you to reflect on the benefits of waking up early and the positive impact it can have on your life. You realize that early mornings offer you precious time to connect with yourself, set intentions, and engage in activities that nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Now, as you continue cloud hopping, I invite you to visualize your ideal morning routine. See yourself waking up with ease and vitality, feeling refreshed and ready to embrace the day. Picture yourself engaging in activities that bring you joy and contribute to your well-being, whether it's meditation, exercise, journaling, or simply savoring a peaceful moment. Feel the satisfaction and fulfillment that comes with dedicating this time to yourself. As you imagine your morning routine, notice how it aligns with your goals, your values, and your desires. See yourself effortlessly integrating this routine into your life, making positive changes that enhance your overall well-being. Now, as we prepare to conclude this session, allow yourself to gently descend from the cloud back into the field where we began. Feel the solid ground beneath your feet, grounding you and anchoring your newfound motivation and inspiration. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the energy and motivation within you to embrace early mornings and create a transformative morning routine, knowing that you have the power to make positive changes in your life, starting with your mornings. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing feelings of relaxation and inspiration and motivation with you as you go throughout your day. Remember, you have the ability to unlock the incredible benefits of early mornings, and with the support of hypnosis, you can create a morning routine that nurtures your mind, body, and spirit. Awake, wide awake,